Have you ever felt that little knot of anxiety when you remember an important deadline, wondering what the consequences might be if you accidentally let it slip? When it comes to something like a traffic ticket, missing that due date can unfortunately lead to some significant and escalating problems. If you miss a traffic ticket due date, you can expect a range of negative consequences, including increased fines, additional late fees, and potential suspension of your driver's license. In more serious cases, or if ignored for too long, it could even result in a warrant being issued for your arrest. The exact repercussions vary significantly depending on the jurisdiction where you received the ticket and the type of offense. The reason these penalties escalate is because the court system views a missed due date as a failure to comply with a legal order. Once the initial payment or appearance date passes, the court typically adds administrative fees and may notify the Department of Motor Vehicles in your state. This notification can automatically trigger a driver's license suspension without further warning, as a way to compel individuals to address their outstanding tickets. A suspended license, if you continue to drive, can then lead to even more serious charges. If you find yourself in this situation, the best course of action is to immediately contact the traffic court or the issuing agency listed on your ticket. Many jurisdictions now offer online portals where you can check the status of your ticket and any updated fees. Inquire about your options, which might include requesting a new court date, setting up a payment plan for the increased fine, or even contesting the ticket if that was your original intention. Ignoring a missed due date will only make the situation worse, often leading to a charge of failure to appear or failure to pay, which can carry its own distinct penalties. These additional charges often transform a relatively minor traffic offense into a more serious legal matter, sometimes involving court appearances that could have been avoided. A warrant for your arrest, known as a bench warrant, is typically issued after a prolonged period of noncompliance, requiring you to be brought before a judge. Addressing your traffic ticket promptly and taking immediate action if you have missed a deadline is crucial. It helps prevent a simple violation from spiraling into a costly and time-consuming legal problem, ensuring you maintain your driving privileges and keep your record clear.